Baked burnt cheesecake. First of all, preheat the Cubie oven. In a food processor, blend cream cheese until smooth. Add whipping cream and vanilla essence. Blend again. Add corn flour and caster sugar. And as it blends, add 3 eggs, one by one. Blend until smooth. Pour mixture in a 7-inch baking pan. Give it a tap to disperse any bubbles. And bake in the Cubie oven for 30 minutes. Cool down and chill in fridge overnight. Smooth, creamy, burnt cheesecake served with some healthy berries at the side. Finished!
Panasonic.